Do you think that this is your enemy? I think that this is your best productivity friend. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Alessandro Belli, and in this channel we try to apply the best practices for tech gaming and productivity. Today I would like to talk to you about the buff system, a tool that I use to increase productivity and insert gaming in my schedule. What I'm going to say works for people that are a student, that are working from home, or people that can break their tasks into gaming session. If you don't have time, I can tell you already that the simple trick is to put gaming session in between or at the end of your workday, so you can keep motivated or reduce stress. Games are really good for improving your productivity, as I already said in another video, because they have a structure that make you work towards a goal. Then they also have a cause-effect logic that too helps you finish tasks inside the game, so that can also transfer when you finish one task. And just more simply, they can help you to reduce stress and make you motivated to work towards a goal if you know that you're gonna game in between or in the end. What it worked for me was to create a schedule with a list of the tasks I had to do. Then I assigned a date and a priority so I could categorize them. Then afterwards I just asked myself, how can I improve my productivity given that I have to do these tasks? I then looked at the list and see what was more cumbersome or more boring, and I decided either if I had a gaming session at the end or a gaming session in between, and how long it will last, so I could better motivate myself or reduce the stress. I've also put a link in the description on an article, This is Your Brain on Video Games, and this is really an inspiration for this video, and it really explains way better how your brain reacts when you play video games. What it works for me is a simple check mark on my task list. Here at the end you can see it needs boost, and when I check it, this task goes in another list, the buffing list, and I just simply see when the task needs to be done, and then I can add some gaming session in between or at the end. Let me know what do you think about this structure, and if you like to have gaming session in between or at the end. And also please also check my other video, why gaming is so important in my life. Thanks again, and see you the next one. Bye!